Hello my YouTube workout buddies and welcome to this week's workout. So if you weren't aware, this video is actually part of a two-part workout that I'm sharing with you guys this week. The other part is a upper body, or it's a back, shoulder, and core strength training video, which I've just uploaded just now, so you can go click on it and I'll leave the link to that in the description. So this workout is meant to be done after that one. It's a cardio finisher focusing on the upper body, on the muscles we just worked, you know, with all the pull-ups and pull-downs and all that stuff. So you can do this workout as a standalone workout, but like I said, it's meant to be done after an upper body strength training session, such as the one I have just posted and linked down below. So for this part of the workout, there's not going to be a warm-up because I'm assuming you've already warmed up, you've already done a workout, so this is just the finisher. However, if you're just doing it as a standalone workout, go ahead and, you know, warm yourself up for a couple of minutes of jumping jacks or whatever, just get your heart pumping a little bit. For this workout, you're going to need a set of dumbbells and a kettlebell and a chair. That's it. It's going to be two parts. The first part is going to be like a little pyramid style section with rows and push-ups, and the second part is going to be interval based, 30 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, and we're going through the exercises once. The whole thing should take about 10 minutes, I think, so we'll see. All right, so let's get to it. Okay guys, the first part of this workout, like I said, is going to be sort of pyramid style. So what we're going to be doing is doing 10 rows. You're gonna use your dumbbells, you're gonna brace your core, you're gonna lean forward, you're gonna bend over, and you're gonna pull your elbows straight up and roll the dumbbells up for 10 reps. Okay, after 10 reps, you're gonna get down on the ground and do 10 push-ups. Then you're gonna get up, you do 9 rows. Then you're gonna get down, 9 push-ups. And let's see how it goes. So, you ready? I'm ready. Okay, here we go, 10 rows. So brace the core, lean forward, elbows come straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 push-ups. Squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's do 9 rows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 8 rows. One, 2. Make sure your elbows are staying close to your body. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, we're just doing 8. Okay, 8 push-ups. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 7 rows. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 push-ups. How are those arms doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 6 of each. Let's get those rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I definitely want to finish this section all on my toes, so I'm making that my goal. So I just did 6 push-ups. I'll snap. I think we're at 5 now, right? Yeah, we're at 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of each. We're almost there, guys. 1, 2, 3. 3 push-ups. You got this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 of each. 1, 2. We're almost there. 2 push-ups, guys. Come on. 1, 2. Last set. Here we go. 1. Drop it down. 1 push-up. Woo! All right, we did it. Good work. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do it all on your toes. If so, good job. If you did it on your knees, amazing job as well. The more push-ups you do, the stronger you'll get. Okay, so now we're going to be doing our HIIT section. We've got 8 exercises, 30 seconds each. And you're going to need your dumbbell or kettlebell. I'm going to be using my kettlebell for the plank rows. So we're going to be doing plank rows on a chair, just like this. And we'll be doing kettlebell swings, which I'll be using my heavier kettlebell for. And squat and press, which I'll be using my lighter kettlebell for. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get it started. The first exercise is going to be plank rows with the right arm. So here we go. I've got my timer on. And sound is on. And here we go. Brace that core. Oh, what? We're doing more rowing? Yeah, more rowing. Try not to let your body twist while you're doing that row. Keep your shoulders level and pull back. that elbow, pull it up to the ceiling like you've got a string attached to your arm. Oh my gosh, dying. Oh my gosh, okay. Kettlebell swing. Again, this is working the entire back of our body. Hinge at your hips. Swing that weight forward. Squeeze the booty. Almost there, 5 seconds. Good job. Okay, plank row on the left. Come into your plank. Brace your core, obviously. Squeeze your glutes. If you want to make this a little bit more easy, you can spread your legs further apart. Almost there. Good. All right, we're gonna do squat and press now. Using my lighter kettlebell. I'm gonna squat down and then overhead press. So here we go. And you're really using the momentum from your arms here, as well as your shoulders. Oh, sorry, the momentum's coming from your legs. Did I say arms? I meant legs. Now we're basically just going to repeat those 4 exercises. So plank row on the right. Don't twist your body. Ten seconds, guys. Come on. I'm struggling here for sure. Okay, good job. Kettlebell swing. Here we go. Really push those hips forward. Squeeze the glutes. Four seconds. All right. Plank row, left side. Almost there. Come on. Stay strong. Good. Okay. Last exercise, you guys. Squat with an overhead press. Here we go. Keep going, you're almost there. Good. All right. Nice work, you guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed this upper body, back, shoulder, core, and chest focused finisher. If you like this style of workout that I posted this week, the kind of two-part strength plus finisher, let me know in the comments. I can do more. All right, thank you guys so much for working out with me. See you in the next video, guys.